It seemed to me that China's industrial sector was a growing area where you could have a very large impact if you could introduce some methodologies for analysis or some technologies or policies that would help to reduce or improve the efficiency and reduce the emissions from that sector. Soon after I started working with Art Rosenfeld, I also started working with Lee Schipper. And then when I was working with them, I met Mark Levine. And that was a real turning point in my career. Of course, he founded the China Energy Group in 1988.
She took on a challenge to work to improve industrial energy efficiency policy in China. That's a huge challenge because not only is China responsible for almost 30% of global emissions, but 60% of that is due to industrial energy use. She chose to attack the single most significant source of greenhouse gases in the world.
In 2000, we started a pilot program to investigate an energy efficiency improvement target. So we picked 2 steel mills in Shandong province. We had been there to do the inspections of the plant and do all the modeling and the benchmarkings. Then in 2006, the Chinese government decided to expand it to the 1,000 largest industrial enterprises in China. And that was the beginning of the Top 1,000 program. Those plants covered 1/3 of total China energy use. So it was important to make sure that it was a robust program. And we actually developed another benchmarking tool for the cement industry. And we benchmarked 42 cement plants and we added CO2 to that tool. So the Top 1,000 program was quite successful.
The 1,000 Enterprise Program, after it had been implemented, The Economist magazine called it the most successful energy efficiency program in the world. I mean, it was a huge, huge achievement.
One of her deep areas of expertise is in industrial technology across a variety of industrial sectors, where you could get efficiency changes by modifying processes. These require both an understanding of the engineering, chemistry, and an understanding of both the legal and economic systems, but then it also required an understanding of a wholly different culture and a structure in which those systems operated, quite unique from that United States.
I started the IPCC because of the lab's expertise on building energy use and the lab's expertise just on technologies and policies from an end-use perspective. In 2007, the IPCC authors won the Nobel Prize. It was a very exciting time. The work that we did to support the Paris Agreement was based on 3 years of research we had been doing beforehand in collaboration with the Chinese.
There are not that many people who got the relationships, who created that kind of deep understanding at a technical level that can solidly inform US decisions, and conversely, can solidly inform China about US interests. Then it's one of those rare people who's done both.
There's no project that I did alone. Being able to work in an environment where collaboration and team science is supported and really the way that is seen as normal really made success easier and made it more enjoyable too.